Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia. In today's video, we're going to talk about a few ways to make 5 figures a month, or otherwise known as 6 figures a year. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And go ahead and give this video a like. It would really help me in the YouTube algorithm. A quick disclaimer before we get into this video though, is that there is no rush to make 5 figures a month. I wanted to provide these things to help you guys to get to this point. Everyone's journey is different and there's no rush, like I said. I'm going to give you a few examples of how I make 5 figures a month and my different income streams. Also going to touch on mindset because that is a huge factor into making more money. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's jump into my current income that I am making. I just had the best income month of my life so far this past month, and so this is just the ways I'm able to make the money I'm making right now. Number one stream of income is my own business. It is called Social Casa, and it's a marketing agency specializing in content creation and social media marketing. I'm a full-time content creator, so all of my brand deals go through my business as well. Owning a business is huge when trying to build wealth and trying to increase your income. Even if you work a 9 to 5, which I did for 2 years after I graduated college, I was building a side hustle on the side. So my side hustle was within social media and building a personal brand online that I could monetize and turn into my full-time career. One of the things I love about building a side hustle is that you get to discover owning a business while working for someone else. So you don't have as much stress of just running a business by yourself. Maybe you're working a 9 to 5 or you're in college or you're figuring out like what you want to do, but you have some free time and you can start dabbling into the business that you would want to make. This is the best time to do it. You can also learn skills online that will make you more valuable in your business. So say for example, you want to own a social media marketing agency, you can literally go on YouTube and there's so many videos teaching you how to own your own agency, what skills you need to have. You can develop those skills and take them and put them in your agency and sell them as a product or service. It's never been easier to start your own business than it is today. You can gain clientele through platforms like TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr. Lots of people who make 5 figures and more a month actually own their own business. So if you're interested in that path, I would highly recommend it. It does take some time to start making a lot of money. Like for me, I opened my LLC a year ago. I had been doing this for 3 years prior as a side hustle. So when it came time for me to officially open my LLC and like start doing this professionally, I had 3 years of experience that kind of prepared me for that moment. Second stream of income is brand deals. As I mentioned, I'm a full-time content creator, so I work with tons of brands internationally and within the US that I work with to create content on my channels. I create content on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, my podcast. I have a good sized audience on all of my platforms, so I'm able to charge thousands of dollars per month to these brands that I work with to get them results and to spread their name through social media. One of the benefits of building up your own channels is the credibility that you build with an audience. The followers you build, you have a relationship with them where they trust you, they'll try what you're talking about, and you're providing all these different things to them, and in return you get that community sense back. If you're interested in brand deals and being an influencer and all that stuff, I would highly recommend starting with one channel and building that channel up. However, video content is huge on any platform at the moment, so you can literally create one video and then go ahead and post it on all the different platforms and see how it does on each. This is my strategy right now. I'm making content specifically for TikTok, but then I take that video and I'll post it to Reels, to Pinterest, to Shorts, and just see how it does and where it performs the best. My third stream of income is affiliate income. Anyone can do affiliate income. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to have a ton of followers online. All you have to do is just love a brand and join their affiliate program. That's it. My favorite platform for affiliate right now is Amazon. There are so many different companies that you can Google along with the words affiliate program to pull up their affiliate program and sign up for it. It takes maybe 1 hour a month for me to create all my content for the affiliate programs I'm in. But for me to earn my affiliate income, it kind of is like passive income in a way too, because you create something one time and then if the video goes viral, it's just people going and using my affiliate links and then I get the commission for it. I earn thousands of dollars per month with my affiliate links, and it's a great way just to generate income. I could literally be on the beach and like people are buying from my Amazon storefront, or they're buying from one of my codes with one of the brands that I work with. One of my hacks for getting a lot of eyes on my affiliate content is to use a trending sound, specifically on TikTok, one of those like audio trending sounds where you mouth something over and having the product in the shot and relating it to that sound. I've had so many videos go viral using this technique, and then it sends a ton of traffic to my Amazon storefront. My fourth stream of income right now is UGC Content. This is user generated content. So this is when I create content for brands online. Anyone can do this. You don't have to be an influencer, you don't have to have experience or an audience. All you have to do is just know how to make videos for brands. I create the content and then they post it on their channels. I don't have to post it on mine. All I have to do is just create the video and send it to them. Basically a marketing service, like you're kind of creating an advertisement for the brand and just sending it to them. UGC Content has quickly become a huge source of income for me. There are certain brands that I work with on a contract each month with me for me to create content for them, and they pay me a monthly retainer. This is actually one of the ways I was able to quit my 9-to-5 is by having a bunch of clients who I create UGC work for. You can find these opportunities really anywhere. You can reach out to a brand, ask them if they have any opportunities available for UGC, or you can go on Upwork and Fiverr or even LinkedIn and see if you find any opportunities on there. Number 5 is investing. I know investing can sound really scary. I've watched hours worth of YouTube videos on investing because I started to save a lot of the money and a lot of the income I was making, and I wanted to put it to the best use to be able to accumulate and compound interest on it. I invest monthly and I have a pretty diverse portfolio. As an entrepreneur, I really focus on retirement and also just active assets that can generate me income. And with that income, I can use it when I'm young to do all sorts of different things like travel, buy things I want, pay my bills, etc. If you're making 5 figures a month, your goal is really to be able to live below your means. Obviously, when you make a lot of money, you want to go on a shopping spree, you want to spend it. But if you can just live below your means and invest your money and try to buy assets instead of liabilities, that's what's really going to set you far. I won't give any investing advice because what I do is just personal to my situation and I'm not a financial advisor. But if you guys are interested in investing, I would definitely search up how to start investing on YouTube. You can even search up like however much money you have set aside to invest. Like maybe you have $1,000 to invest. How to invest $1,000. You can literally search that on YouTube, and there's so much free content that comes up explaining how to do that. That was my 5 streams of income that I currently have. I am in the process of actually building more streams of income. Expanding my business is going to be one of these things, and then eventually selling products. I'm in a point in my career where I make comfortable money, like I make great money every single month, but I'm not really a person to just stay where I am. I always want to be consistently building and reaching for more. So this is just a few of my income streams currently. Maybe in a few months from now, I'll remake this video and there'll be something different or something more in there, but for now, this is what it is. Okay, so I gave you guys the tea on all my streams of income. Now let's talk the most important thing, which is mindset. I didn't start to make a lot of money until I started changing my relationship with money. I had a really shitty relationship with money. I always grew up hearing things like, money doesn't grow on trees, we can't afford that, there's not enough money. Like those were the kinds of things I heard growing up. So as a child, obviously you're hearing all that stuff and it goes down into your subconscious, and you hold that until you get older and you realize, oh shit, that actually really affected me. Before I was actually able to make more money, I decided that one of the biggest things I wanted to focus on was financial literacy. Like I said, I've watched hours worth of videos on YouTube talking about making money, sustaining money, building money, and I've read so many books, I've heard so many podcasts because I wanted to go ahead and learn about money before I started to make a lot. One of the things that really helped me to make 6 figures a year is just starting to see myself as a person that can make a lot of money. Making 6 figures, I obviously know it's possible to make 7 figures a year. That's like my next goal. So I'm already showing up as that person who makes 7 figures a year. You have to start showing up in your mind as that person before you become that person. The thing that really helped me with that is affirming that I can make more money through daily affirmations. Daily affirmations about money really changed my mindset about it. It helps to get down in those ugly areas where maybe you don't believe you can make enough money. Maybe you think it's not for you. No one else that you know has ever done it. But if you get down into those areas in yourself and you change the narrative and you change what you believe, you can start to attract more money and you'll see more opportunities come your way. Proverbs 23:7, it states, as a man thinks, so he is. Your words and your thoughts are really powerful. What you say and what you believe begins to become your reality. If people can just understand that your mind and your words can create your own reality, they will realize, like, why am I thinking these thoughts? Why am I allowing myself to believe the way I believe? Like, I can literally change my life by just changing this. If you were surrounded by negative energy as a child about money, let's rework that belief. Let's start to tell yourself positive affirmations about money, that you can earn it, and start to change your mindset. Here are some affirmations that I tell myself daily about money. I am worthy of the wealth I desire. I am grateful for the money I have. Wealth and abundance flow to me. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. My business is profitable. Money flows freely to me. I experience wealth as a key part of my life. These are just a few of my favorites. You can go ahead and Google daily money affirmations. You can look it up on YouTube, but definitely come up with some that kind of change your narrative about those negative thoughts you have about money to make them more positive. I promise you this works. I also pray. So I pray to God, like, help me to change my narrative around money. You want more for yourself. That's a great ambition to have. I'm going to share with you guys a few of my favorite financial books that I've read so far. These books have really taught me a lot, so let's go through them. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This is a financial classic. This really has taught me the importance of building assets when you're young. I Will Teach You to Be Rich. This taught me everything really about credit cards and the benefits of credit cards and points. Just financial knowledge that's not taught in schools at all. The Richest Man in Babylon. This teaches on some specific money basics. It is a bit of an older book, but the content is so timeless that it is still relevant to this day. The Millionaire Next Door. This teaches you to live below your means and how to be financially responsible with the money you're earning. Hope that this inspired you guys in some sort of way to either come up with a side hustle, start generating new streams of income, start investing, and start changing your mindset surrounding money to a more positive effect. I'm 26 years old and I'm telling you 6 figures a year is simple. You just have to change your mind about it. That's all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any money mantras or anything that's helped you to make a lot of money, feel free to drop your knowledge down in the comments. We would love to hear it. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.